Hey channel, welcome to my guys. Hey, welcome channel to my guys. Hey guys, channel to my welcome.
तू कुछ नहीं कर सकता, मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकता, मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकता। अब मैं बताता हूँ मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ। मैं ना क्या कर सकता हूँ यार।
पागल बच्चा बहुत जल्दी आ गया, बहुत जल्दी आ गया। अरे हम आपके आगे द लेट लतीफ़न भाई, द लेट लतीफ़न।
अच्छा ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है, समझ गया।
टेबल रख भाई। टेबल रखने की कोशिश कर।
देख 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 कैसा खुश हो रहा है।
हेलो गाइस, खड़ी 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 खड़ी। जय श्री राम। और अरे दाखो ना माइक। हेलो, एक्सक्यूज मी।
कैमरा संभाल के रखना और
हाँ दिखो ना।
मूवी एंजॉय करो।
नो रिकॉर्ड दिखाना, नहीं तोड़ रहा हूँ क्या पूरा।
Excuse me, can I have your 2 minutes?
Yeah, sure. Tell me.
So, what do you think about Children's Day and the children's?
Okay, so for me, Children's Day is a reminder of hope, everything pure, and joy, and a world full of possibilities. I guess it is a nudge for society to give a good atmosphere that supports growth for the students. And as we all know, Children's Day is celebrated as the birth anniversary of Chacha Nehru, and it brings joy. It just brings pure joy.
Okay, thank you.
भाई यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है? भाई यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है? भाई ये कहाँ फंस गया भाई मैं?
So, I have one twist for you. We are having some cheats, so I want you to pick that cheat, any one of them.
Anyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Can I pick anyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Tough question.
No, ma'am.
Should I have to read it?
Yes, you have to show that to the camera. Can you please repeat the question?
माँ, मुझे कुछ दिखाई नहीं दे रहा माँ।
Okay, I'll read it out for you all. If you were allowed to teach any subject in school, what would it be and why? Very interesting. So if I had to teach in school, I would teach English, definitely, and I would also have my hands in science, most probably quite interesting. Can students take a lot of interest in it?
Yes,
Is it what I feel? And English teacher सबकी favorite होती है ना, हम लोग movies में देखते हैं ना, so definitely a English teacher. As a child, being a child is something very extraordinary. You are so curious. You are ready to learn. The world is open for you for a lot of opportunities. So what I feel is parents, everybody, they should not restrict children. They should give them a lot of opportunities and answer whatever questions they have, because they are extraordinary, and never dull their sparkle. That's it.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Happy Children's Day.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
मैम, तो आज ना चिल्ड्रन डे, तो आपको आज कैसा लग रहा है?
बहुत मज़ा आ रहा है. I'm enjoying actually. I'm like going back to my own childhood, as I can see children enjoying the day. So I'm feeling happy.
Okay, ma'am. So here we have some cheats. You have to pick up one cheat, and what question comes, you have to give answer of that.
So I got 2 again.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So both?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh my god. If you were the Prime Minister for one day, what would you enjoy to do? Okay, so special for Children's Day or anything?
Anything. As a child.
So being Prime Minister, huge responsibility. So I have to build a good future for a student, which I will try my best, where a student can enjoy the time, not the burden of school, but the enjoyment in school especially. And whenever they visit some places, like they are allowed, like it's not prohibited for them. So it is a big responsibility as Prime Minister for doing something good for students or children. So it will be like, my first thing was that I don't want exams. So I will look into it. Somewhere exams would be turned into skill management, and students should be judged on the basis of skills, but not theory paper. So that's my personal point of view. And
Now
rest is
second
for-
question.
Okay, second. Okay, if you can invest a new flavor of ice cream, what would it be called? What its color? What is should taste like? It should be like my favorite is coconut chocolate, so I would like its taste should be like coconut, or like it should hard from it is hard from outside but soft from inside, and it has water in it, which is very important to be like पानी जैसा बन जीवन में आगे बढ़ना है तो पानी जैसा बनना होगा. So be like water, and coconut is actually a good for health. And I would like if coconut ice cream have some chocolate and some good more flavors according to the children, because I love what childhood is.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
वो जाके टाइप बस ट्रूप लीडर सर ये कुछ पूछा जाता है आपसे. ये सर कुछ तो पूछना चाहता है आपसे.
क्या बोलने का?
एक सर आपके मन से कुछ भी बोलो. सर आप क्या कर रहे हो?
मैं नहीं बताऊंगा.
नमस्ते सर.
विश यू हैप्पी चिल्ड्रन डे बस.
थैंक और कुछ बोल सकते हो सर आप?
क्या बोलने का?
सर आपका फेमस डायलॉग बोला ना, ये मैंने बोला ना सर एक बार. सर आपकी फेमस
चुप चुप.
प्लीज सर बोला ना सर. सर मेमोरी रहेगा सर. आपका फेमस डायलॉग बोलो.
ए मैन.
व्हाट यू डू मैन से बोला ना सर कुछ तो. टॉनिक बोलो ना सर.
हाँ, प्लीज दो क्या?
भांडायचं नाही.
खत्म हो गया भैया मैटर.
ज्याने भांडलं तो घरी नाच कोणाने करायचं. जय महाराष्ट्र. जय महाराष्ट्र. दिसलेंगे ना बिल्डिंग अलाउड नाही. महाराष्ट्र. अभी काय बंद आहे राव.
सकाळी मजा
नाच कोणा. एका साईडला थांबा रे भाई. अरे नाच खोळा म्हणा. नाच खोळा सेकंड नाच खोळा म्हणा. अबे डोसे में पेट नहीं भरेगा. बहुत महंगा है वो. डोसे में पेट नहीं भरेगा. पेट बहुत बड़ा है भाई. बसा सूट. ए डोसा नको. चटनी
दोसा इडली सांबार चटनी